This is why I want to put a winch right there. But that's okay though. Jay can get it. I got it figured out. Look here. A strap around the pole. Strap's hooked to the daggone G-body. Strap is hooked to the tractor. My boy's driving the tractor. And he's gonna go that way. Therefore, it's gonna pull me forward. All right, go. Oh, oh. All right, boys, here we go. Go! Don't tell me I can't do it. I'll prove you wrong every day, twice on Tuesday, and every day it ends in a goddamn Y, baby. OG6 is up in the air, baby. OG6 is up in the air. Let's get the pressure washer up here. Let's go. Let go.